Do you experience neck pain or headaches every day, or feels like you experience that every day? Do you have to turn your shoulders or your whole body to move your head because your neck is stiff? Do you experience pain into your numbness, tingling into your shoulder, down your arm, or even into your hand? Does your head or neck feel heavy? Are you worried that if you don't do something about this problem, it's going to get worse? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, I have just the thing for you. I'm Dr. Steve Nestor, and I'm hosting the Neck Pain and Headache Workshop right here at Nestor Physical Therapy. What can you hope to learn at the workshop? First, what's the single biggest mistake that neck pain and headache sufferers make that usually prolongs their healing? Number two, what are the 3 common causes of neck pain? Number 3, how picking the right treatment for the cause of your problem can save you a ton of time and a ton of money. Explain how a problem in your neck can cause numbness, tingling, burning down your arm. Explain how a problem in your neck can be the cause of your headache. And explain what successful treatment should look like without the side effects of medications, injections, or surgery. All you have to do to save a seat is click the link below or call the clinic. Look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.